Everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I am going to show you how to make YouTube videos loop continuously. So for YouTube's loop feature, which is used especially when listening to music, we can make videos loop through a plugin or a different site. With this method, which is used by many people, you can take the infinite loop without the need for 1 hour versions of the songs or content you like. So should you need a YouTube video on a continuous loop? A few methods can help you keep repeating a video without having to start it over manually. And here's how to do it. So first let's choose a video. Okay, I have chosen this one. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to right click and I'm going to click on loop. Okay, now it's in a loop. So what we want to be sure if it's working, right? We'll click right again and see this check mark. So yes, it is working. But if we want to take this back, we don't want it to be in a loop. What we do is we click back, and when you click right back, you see the check mark is gone. So right now, this is not going to play in a loop. And here's another way. We're going to create a playlist. So let's go and let's add this one to queue. Let's close this one. Yes, close player. So let's choose. Okay. What we're gonna do, this method is useful for when you have more than one video you want to have on a continuously loop. Because the previous method that I have showed you, it works for one video only. You cannot play. The only video that you can play on loop is that video that you have clicked on, right, and choose loop. And here what we're going to do is we're going to crop a video, and now we're going to click to save from here. And so we're going to create a playlist, and we're going to call it loop, and we're going to click create. Okay, now let's add some else things. Okay, I want these two videos to play continuously. Okay, so what I do is, now since I have done it, I have saved another video to the playlist. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click this hamburger menu on the left side, the playlist that we have just created that we named loop, which is here. And now what we're going to do is we will click play all button. When the first video loads, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and click on the loop icon, put the playlist onto a continuous loop. And how we're doing this, I am sorry. We're doing this like this. And our playlist is gonna be in loop. So now let's keep going. Let's go back to show more. Sorry for this. Yes, we want to close the player. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a Chrome extension. So this extension is Looper for YouTube. It's an easy way to watch the same video again and without having to press the loop button. With the extension, the YouTube player adds a special loop button underneath it, and you can even set how many times it will repeat or repeat only a specific portion of the video. So we're gonna head to the Chrome web store from here. And we're gonna install it. It's here. We're gonna add it to Chrome. We're gonna say install, add this extension. It's checking. Okay, now it has it. So let's refresh our page and open this video. And here we have this, we didn't have it before, but right now we do. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, and we can loop for 10 times. We can loop a portion from, for example, I want it to be looping from here to here, or here to here. This is all in our hands. Or I just want it to be looping for the whole time. And I want it to be looping for 3 times. Okay. And let's also do this. We're going to be doing it from here to here. So yes, this is actually all. When we're going to click again, it is just taking us to there, as you could see. So it was so easy, and no matter the reason, if you need to loop a YouTube video, there's more than one way to get it done, as you have seen. And you're going to be able to listen in or watch it continuously without having to interact with the player. And it is actually so easy with this extension, or even just by clicking, but we don't have much options there. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about this video or anything else, you can ask me those questions under this video in the comments, and I will be there to answering your questions. And if you have liked this video, please give us thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.